What's up, you guys? It's your girl Daisy, Flower Squad. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll always know each and every time I do come on. And today I have some Dairy Queen, and I have all my sauces. I think this is queso, some type of queso dip, my marinara sauce, my ranch, some gravy. It's like a new type of sauce, a gravy, country gravy. And I have wild buffalo. And I have some cheese curds. I be forgetting what I be ordering because like it be like the whole menu. And I have some buffalo chicken bacon barbecue ranch snack wrap. And I have the chicken strip box is my favorite. I got a 6-piece and some fries, and it comes with a toast, of course. Or you can get onion rings. And so I am ready to dig in. Let me say my grace. Lord, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. Lord, thank you for providing this food for me and the nourishment of my body's sake. Amen, amen. And I'm going to go ahead and do a thumbnail. So this is how the box looks. This is what the snack wrap comes in. And this is what the cheese curds come in. Little box. And I'm ready to dig in. Yes, yes, yes. And I like their little boxes or whatever because you can like break it down like that. Look how cute that is. And you can like actually just fold it. But today I'm just gonna take it out, put my toast right there, my chicken strips. Yeah. So y'all can get a full view of how this actually looks. I'm gonna lay out my wrap. There. And my cheese curds. So y'all can get a full view. Full view, baby. Yummy. So I am gonna just do my marinara sauce. That's all now. Okay. And this is the ranch. Everybody's ranch tastes different. I usually get sweet and sour sauce for my chicken strips. I said I do ranch today. I got my buffalo sauce. This is the one I like, because you know I like hot stuff. This is so good. I haven't had Dairy Queen in forever. So good. And if you have any questions, comment below. That buffalo sauce is good. My wrap. It's barbecue chicken. It is barbecue chicken with bacon and cheese. That's good right there. People don't know how to act. They don't understand you be busy. So good. And then come with my toast. They don't have to do that. They don't have to add toast. That is so nice of them. That is so nice of them. It's so good. This is my first time trying the cheese curds too. It's so good. Now I'm scared to try these other sauces. This is supposed to be the country gravy. It was on the menu and I ain't never seen it before, so I was like, why not give it a try? So I'm gonna try it on a fry, just in case I don't like it. No, they can keep that one. I don't like that sauce. This is the queso. I think it's like queso ranch or something like that. I'm gonna try this one on a fry too. This is a new sauce they have. It looks more like mayonnaise texture. So it does taste like queso, but I wouldn't eat it with like chicken strips or nothing. I won't lie to you. I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. So the ones I like is the buffalo sauce, the ranch, the marinara sauce. Now, I also like the honey mustard and the sweet and sour, but I didn't get those tonight because I wanted to try something different. Y'all know I dance when my food get good. It's so good. Double dip that, baby. I've been enjoying all this support I've been getting. It's been awesome. I'm almost getting close to 300. I'm still doing that giveaway for a girl and a boy when I get to 300. I mean, 1K. 1K. I give a shout out when I get to 300. How about that? Their chicken strips are bomb. They're so juicy and tender. Oh. Oh yeah. I didn't even tell y'all what drink I had today. I had Coca-Cola. One of my favorites. Yeah, look at that. The marinara sauce is like a sweet taste. Dairy Queen, most all their food is good. Their ice cream is good too. Yummy. Comment below and let me know what you like about Dairy Queen and what kind of food you get when you go there, when you pull up. Or what kind of ice cream you get, what flavor you get, so I can try it. You know I like to try stuff. I do. A little snack wrap for $1.99, you know, on sale. Ain't bad. This will taste better than other stuff on there, like the pretzels. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. It's so good. If you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll always know each and every time I do come on. I would love for you to be part of the family. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't have no more. Oh, man. Oh, that was a little baby one. I gave y'all my review on my Dairy Queen. It was so delicious. And I don't know what to do, you know? But dance, because it was so good. These cheese curds, though, are on the money. Oh, yeah. I am just like, I thought it was going to be nasty. It was good, though. If you like the cheese curds or Dairy Queen, or you got a favorite little thing on the menu that you like, comment below, let me know. If you want to contact me or request anything, any videos, comment below, email me, or follow my Instagram. Make sure you share this video. Share. I would greatly appreciate everything, all the support. And I appreciate all the support that I'm getting now. And I love you guys so much. And be blessed. Have a great weekend. Bye. Love you guys.